This dugout canoe has been on loan to the museum from the North Carolina Office of State Archaeology for several years. If you've visited the museum in the past, you may have seen the canoe on our third floor, or for the past 14 years in the Story of North Carolina. American Indians propelled this 30-foot canoe through the waters of North Carolina nearly 3,000 years ago. Canoes were ideal for moving people and things around the shallow reaches of Lake Phelps in present-day Washington County. Generation after generation of American Indians living along the lake shores built canoes. The biggest measured 40 feet or longer and could hold almost 20 people. Archaeologists found this boat, along with more than 24 others, buried in silt at the bottom of Lake Phelps in 1986. As the museum gets ready for its renovation, museum staff are hard at work preparing items to move out of the building. This canoe presented a unique challenge for us. Conservators examined the canoe for condition issues, exhibit fabricators designed and built custom crates, artifact preparators planned the deinstallation and packing, and registrars handled the logistics of the project. All these staff members came together when it was finally time to remove the canoe from the exhibit. The case was in 4 sections, and it took several people to lift the coverings. The canoe itself is in 4 sections, and each section was carefully lifted and gently placed in the crate. Supports were placed around sections to ensure the safety of the canoe. It's a team effort to preserve history.